Hello. In this video, we'll see how to install SmartPTT in its Plus version. For this, we will need 4 software packages: SmartPTT Installer, Microsoft SQL Server Express, Motorola DDMS, and Motorola MNIS. The first is the SmartPTT Installer, which you can request through the website or directly from your sales representative in your region. Complete the form and press Send. You will soon receive the requested demo version. The second software package is SQL Server Express, which can be downloaded directly from the Microsoft website. You can also use versions 2019, 2022, earlier versions, or use your existing versions of SQL Enterprise that your IT department is working with. For this demonstration, we'll use the free version of SQL Server Express 2022. The last 2 software packages required for installing SmartPTT PLUS are the Motorola DDMS and MNIS software packages. Before starting the installation, make sure you have all the latest Windows updates. Also, confirm the following packages. Download and install .NET Framework 4.8.1. If you use SmartPTT 9.15 and earlier, download and install .NET Core Runtime 6, at least 6.0.1. Download and install Visual C++ 2015 to 2022 redistributable, at least 1.4.30.30708. After Windows Audit and Packages installation, restart the computer. Now, let's start with the installation. The first thing we need to install is the SQL Express Server software. Select the basic option. Click Next to start the installation. Click Close. You can install SQL Management Studio by clicking Install SMSS, downloading it from the Microsoft website, and installing it. Now, install SmartPTT Radio Server in the Dispatch console. We will use SmartPTT Plus version 9.14.109 for this demonstration. Select the appropriate option for your demo or new installation. Please be aware that for demonstration purposes, we will install the radio server and dispatch console on the same computer, and we will use a legacy mode installation. Next, install the Motorola, DDMS, and MNIS. Just run the installation, and later we can do the configurations based on your radio infrastructure. Now on the radio server configurator, generate the radio server certificate and create the event log database. Open the radio server configurator, select language, go to Settings, Client Connections, and click Generate Certificate. After that, go to Settings, Event Log, click on Active Event Log, and create the radio server database. To apply the changes, click on Save and restart the radio server. Now, let's connect the console. First, confirm the IP address that you are using on the radio server. Open the dispatch console, select the language, create the SmartPTT database, save it and click Next. Create the radio server connections. Click Add to start. Write a name for the radio server. Select the radio server IP address. Test the connection and click OK. Click Finish. Notes: if you're using any on the radio server, you can use the IP address 127.0.0.1. If you are using a specific IP address on the radio server, please select the same IP address as the radio server. Remember, this console is on the same radio server computer. For remote consoles, you need to set the radio server computer IP address. The final step is to create the administrator's password. There's no password by default. Click Login and the dispatch console will ask you to create and confirm the administrator password. At this point, you complete your SmartPTT Plus initial installation. The next steps are to configure the radio infrastructures on the radio server and other settings.